What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Cardinal Red, and we back for another one. Today, I'm going to teach you how much money you can make using the Task Easy Line Care app. So, let's get right to it. As you can see, I have the app open. This is the dashboard, and I'm going to take you into the inner workings and show you exactly how much you can make, how big the properties are, and how tell you how long it should take you. As you can see, this is one of my properties. I'm not going to give away the address, so cut off some of the screen. This is exactly how much I made, $37.62. It was actually $41, but they take $2 out for insurance. As you can see, that's the layout of the property. That's exactly what I have to do. I got to mow, trim, edge, blow, maintain shrubs and bushes. But you don't have to do that every time. Like I said, I was paid $37.62. And it took me about 25 minutes to do that yard. As you can see, I'm leaving my first property of the day. Uh, that's the property I did right here with the blue truck. And took me about 25 minutes to do her yard. That's not the property from the app. Here I'm at my second property. We're ready to finish up the backyard. I'm on my zero turn. I use a Troy built pony zero turn. This is about a 10-year-old lawnmower. It's not the newer version. I paid about $500 for it. And what people have to understand when it comes to making money from this app, you're gonna end up making a lot of money, but your initial investment is gonna suck up some of your, a little bit of your money. But once you make your initial investment, which is purchasing your lawnmower, whichever one you want to purchase, I'm not making any recommendations. Like I said, I do use a Troy built pony. If you can find one used for around $500, I would jump on it. Or maybe a small Cub Cadet. I'm using a 42-inch zero turn. That way I can fit in most residential gates. And I can take more properties and it won't take me as long. But like I said, your initial investment is gonna be the hardest part. Is purchasing your first lawnmower or lawnmowers. I recommend, if nothing else, and you're gonna do this, purchasing a walk behind, because it'll make it a lot easier to start out with. That's what I started out with. Halfway through my first season, I got lucky and found this zero turn for pretty cheap from a mower repair shop in Louisville, Kentucky. Uh, and he looked out for me, man. He gave me a really good deal on this zero turn. He had a Cub Cadet that I could have bought for the same price, but it was 2 inches bigger, so I wouldn't have been able to fit in all the residential gates. Most of them are 42 and under. They're 42 inches and under. So I really wanted that one, the Cub Cadet, but like I said, it was a little bit bigger, and I didn't want to have to push mow a lot of backyards. So I went with the Troy built, and I'm happy with it, man. After a year, and after one full year going through a winter, it started right up, man. I didn't have to jump it or anything to get it to start. Started right back up for me the next year. She leaks a little bit of oil, but man, it knocks my yards out. And half the time it took me to use the walk behind and the push mower. So I recommend a zero turn, cheapest one you can find. Here I'm on my third or fourth property of the day, and like I said, man, this job is too hard. You see, I have to go over the flower beds and clean those up, and cut the front yard, cut the backyard, trim it, edge it. Like I said, clean up the flower beds, make sure those are nice and neat. Here you can see I'm doing the backyard here, and unfortunately, the gate for the backyard was only about 38 inches, so I couldn't fit my zero turn back there. So Had to break out the old push mower and put my leg work in. But I'm making like I believe I made $44 for this yard. So for about 33 minutes worth of work, man, you can't beat that. $44. You might as well say for that hour, even though it didn't take me an hour, I made $44 an hour. Actually, I made more because it only took me about 10 minutes to get to my next property. So you can add, 5 minutes of that property on to this property and say I was making $50 an hour. So however you want to look at it, $44 an hour, $50 an hour, it's all good money if you ask me. In a day I might do, right now I'm trying to hit 8 yards a day. If I hit 8 yards a day and they're all, in the $30 range, we're talking about somewhere in the range of $210, $215 a day. Some days more, some days less. But I gave you a few before shots and give you a few after shots here to wrap it up. As you can see, I took care of the flower beds and hope you guys enjoyed, man. This is how much you can make using Task Easy Lawn Care app.